I gotta film some stuff. Hold on. Very important YouTube star now. Welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning, and I got an auction I want to go to later in the day, and I ain't got no cash, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the scrapyard and turn this pile of junk into cash. It's all stuff I picked up on the side of the road over the winter. 3 washers, a stove, 2 hot water tanks, and a bunch of other miscellaneous garbage. Let's get in the truck and go to the scrapyard. I think it's going to be probably about, I don't know, 900 or so pounds. We'll see. I also got 3 catalytic converters. Here that will bring some extra money at the side door. So let's drive on up there and see what we find. We got her now. That's not a bad haul. 275 bucks. $150 for converters and $120 for scrap. $185 a gross ton. So let's mosey on to our next stop. Well, that was fun. I got the first load gone, and it's the next weekend now. I'm still cleaning up. As you can see, I got a whole nother load here ready to go to the scrapyard. Got some miscellaneous old sheet metal junk, the seat from the back of my Jeep plow truck that is full of squirrels and rotted on the bottom, so that's going. Other miscellaneous garbage and old gas tanks, so I'm making another run, and it's not going to be the big pull it was last week because I don't have any converters, but I got probably, I don't know, a little over 1,000 pounds here, so it should bring in $100, $110, so not too bad. I'm gonna get to clean up some of this backyard area. I got one more run to do next week. I'll have a lot of my backyard area cleaned out where I can reorganize things and pare down some junk. So that's it. Thanks for watching this little steel run vlog I got going on here, and we'll see you again. Please subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you down the road at the Quick Speed Shop.